Hello guys, a very warm welcome to you and thank you for joining me on a thrilling experience on Where is Vivian, your official travel guide to the most spectacular locations across Kenya. I'm Vivian Sang and welcome to the channel. Where is Vivian focus on various aspects of travel including prehistorical sites. Today we are 90 kilometers southwest of Nairobi on Magadi Road. We are here at the Olorgesailie Prehistorical site at the museum. What's so fascinating about Olorgesailie site? Come with me and let's explore.
I'll stay persistent. You need that distance, yeah. But with love like this, we cannot miss each other. Yeah, yeah. Please don't play no games with me. Just hit me up on my line, yeah. But there's one thing you need to know. My heart just wants to see you grow, yeah. You know that I need you so, yeah. You're bad for me, I know, yeah. You can run back to me, you know this. I'll be your lifeline, yeah. I promise you can call on me. Calling, you calling, you calling. I promise you can call on me. Calling, you calling, you calling. I promise you can call on me. Anytime that you get lost, you know that I'm the one you depend on. You know anytime that you're falling, I'm the one that you lean on. So tell me who better than me for you.
The Kenya museums have various museums across the country, including here at the Olorgesailie Prehistorical site. There is a museum here at the Prehistorical site and it houses various artifacts that were discovered recently that were used by the early humans between 500,000 to 1 million years ago. There are various artifacts, for example, the hand axles. Let me show you. This is a hand axle that was used to dig up roots or even skinning the animals, because most of these people were hunters and gatherers. This is a stone hammer that was used to kill animals as well as crush bones so that they can be able to get the bone marrow from the bones. This stone hammer is quite heavy and it can easily kill an animal. These are geological layers dating back to many years ago, and the artifacts in each layer, various artifacts were found in these layers, and they could be able to tell how old the artifacts were. These are various artifacts and even skulls of various animals that were discovered on the various geological layers. These type of animals are quite extinct. We have like the number one, that's the Croquita hyena. Currently it's extinct. We have the zebra here, the warthog, the baboons, the elephants, as well as the hippopotamus. One of the other attractions here at the Olorgesailie Prehistorical site is the nature trail. I'm going to take a walk on the nature trail. Also, I'm going to see some other archaeological sites. Guys, this is an excavation site that was dug by Mary and Louis Leakey in 1943, and various artifacts, hand axles, cleavers were discovered on this layer. This layer is over 600,000 years. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm on top of a tower here at the Olorgesailie site, and I can be able to see various excavation sites behind me. That Olorgesailie mountain that is about 1,650 meters above sea level, and on my extreme right, that is Olorgesailie Hills, and I've been fortunate to have gone on a hike at Olorgesailie Hills. It's so amazing to be able to see it from this point. And in this prehistorical site, as I had mentioned, there are various excavations that were done here. As you can see down there where there is a bridge, there is a lot of hand axles that were discovered. I'm so happy to see that this prehistorical site is being preserved and taken care of, so that we can be able to learn about what happened, over 7,000 years ago, and be able to appreciate. Also, I've learned that the museum, through the staff, they're able to talk to the nearby community and just educating them on various artifacts, so that whatever they can be able to find on their land, something that is out of the ordinary, they can be able to report to them, so that they'll be compensated and that particular site can be preserved as well. On this excavation point, there are various hand axles and cleavers that were discovered here. So it means clear indication that the early humans were hunters and gatherers. There are over 70 species of birds found here. On the various trees around this area, there are various bird nests, and I'm told the bird nests are for the weaver birds. Really interesting. I'm very impressed of this prehistorical site. There are various attractions that one can enjoy. For example, going down at Lake Magadi to have a view of the alkaline lake. We have the various excavation points within this particular land parcels. Also, we have bird watching. Therefore, I would advise you to come here, at least spend a night out here. There are various bandas that you can use. And an interesting thing is that the washrooms are outside, giving that village feeling. So that is very interesting. If you want to experience a little bit of the bush life, come here at the Olorgesailie Prehistorical site. Guys, I've really had a fantastic time here at Olorgesailie site. I would definitely want to come back again, especially for the bird watching, because I'd mentioned there are 70 species. I would want to see at least a number of them. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video as much as I have, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.